Grow carrots like a pro. Easy guide for beginners, from seed to harvest. Hey there, fellow gardeners! Ever dreamed of pulling perfectly crisp, sweet carrots straight from your own backyard? Well, get ready to make that dream a reality. Growing carrots at home is surprisingly easy, even if you're a complete beginner. Choosing the right carrot variety is the first step to success. Not all carrots are created equal, and some are definitely better suited for home gardens than others. Let's explore some popular options. For container gardening or dealing with rocky soil, consider Chantenay or Parisian carrots. These shorter, rounder varieties are more forgiving. Nantais carrots are a classic choice, known for their smooth texture and sweet flavor. If you're looking for a particularly sweet carrot, Danvers is a great option. Remember to consider your available space and soil type when making your selection. For those in warmer climates, look for bolt-resistant varieties to prevent premature flowering. Carrots need loose, well-drained soil to thrive. Rocks and compacted soil are their worst enemies, often leading to forked and misshapen carrots. Proper soil preparation is key to a successful harvest. Start by removing any rocks, stones, and debris from your planting area. Next, amend the soil with plenty of compost or well-rotted manure. Compost improves drainage, adds essential nutrients, and creates the perfect environment for carrot growth. Rake the soil smooth to create a level planting surface. Avoid using fresh manure, as it can cause forking. A well-prepared bed will give your carrots the best possible start. Carrot seeds are notoriously tiny, which can make sowing a bit tricky. But don't worry, with a few simple techniques, you'll be a pro in no time. Let's get those seeds in the ground. Create shallow furrows about 1/2 inch deep in your prepared soil. Space the furrows a few inches apart. Now, carefully sprinkle the carrot seeds thinly along the furrows. Cover the seeds lightly with soil and gently water the area. It's crucial to keep the soil consistently moist until germination, which usually takes 1-3 weeks. For easier sowing, consider using seed tape, which spaces the seeds perfectly for you. Once your carrot seedlings emerge, it's time for thinning. Thinning is essential to give your carrots enough space to develop properly. Don't skip this step. When the seedlings are about 1 inch tall, thin them to 1-2 inches apart. You can use small scissors to snip off the unwanted seedlings or gently pull them out. Be aggressive with your thinning if you want larger carrots. Consistent care is vital for healthy carrot growth. This includes proper watering, weeding, and optional fertilization. Let's keep those carrots happy and thriving. Water deeply whenever the top inch of soil feels dry. Carrots need consistent moisture, especially during hot weather. Keep the area free of weeds as they compete with your carrots for nutrients and water. You can side dress your carrots with a balanced organic fertilizer if desired. This provides an extra boost of nutrients. Be aware of carrot rust flies, a common pest. Row covers can help prevent them from attacking your crop. The moment you've been waiting for, harvest time. Knowing when and how to harvest your carrots is crucial for enjoying their delicious flavor. Let's get those carrots out of the ground. Harvest time depends on the variety you planted. Generally, carrots are ready when the tops are about 1 inch in diameter. Gently loosen the soil around the carrots before pulling them. Pull the carrots straight up, being careful not to break them. If the soil is dry, water it beforehand to make pulling easier. Brush off any excess soil and admire your beautiful homegrown carrots. Proper storage is key to keeping your carrots fresh. Store them in the refrigerator in a plastic bag or container. Even the most experienced gardeners encounter problems from time to time. Don't be discouraged if you face challenges along the way. Let's address some common carrot growing issues. Forking can be caused by rocky soil or too much nitrogen in the soil. Pests can also be a problem, but there are organic solutions available. Remember, gardening is a learning process. Don't give up! Every challenge is an opportunity to learn and improve your gardening skills. Growing carrots at home is a rewarding experience that anyone can enjoy. From selecting the right variety to harvesting your own delicious crop, it's a journey filled with satisfaction. And the taste of homegrown carrots? Unbeatable! So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and start growing your own carrots today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Share your carrot growing experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Happy growing!